Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to start now? Confirm your iPhone is up to date and signed into your Apple ID. Make sure you have a device passcode or biometric security enabled so Health can protect your data. Once done, open the home screen or swipe down to use Spotlight and type Health. Tap the Health icon to launch the app for the first time. This immediate step gets you into the app's dashboard where setup and permissions begin. Now configure what Health can read and write. Tap your profile in the upper right, then Privacy to manage app and device access. Make deliberate choices about which apps and wearables can share data. Once you allow a source, prioritize it in data sources so the most accurate device supplies readings. Add clinical records and medical ID details to make health information available in emergencies. These choices determine how reliable and useful your health dashboard will be. Finish by customizing the dashboard. Add, remove, or reorder cards so your key metrics appear first. Make sure your devices are synced, open paired apps or the Watch app, and confirm Bluetooth and background app refresh are on. If data still fails to appear, force close Health and relaunch, restart your iPhone, then revisit Settings Privacy to toggle permissions. That often resolves stuck connections. If a single source is missing, prioritize or repair it to guarantee consistent updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.